The following are random entries from my journals on the topic of the world beyond North Miami Beach. July 20th, 1984. 15 years ago today, man first walked on the moon. I can still hear Neil Armstrong's words. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. October 31st, 1984. India's Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated by two of her bodyguards. Why does this keep happening? What leads people to kill other people? November 7th, 1984. Reagan won the election, so there's a lot of talk about that today. I'm far from thrilled, and especially because I was hopeful that we would have a woman as vice president. January 28th, 1986. Today, the Space Shuttle Challenger blew up in 1.5 minutes after it took off. Krista McAuliffe, a high school teacher, was on board. I cannot even imagine what it must have been like for children all over the country and beyond to have watched as the space shuttle exploded, killing all 7 crew members. This monumental tragedy will be a huge setback for NASA. February 22nd, 1987. The fear of a fatal disease like AIDS has led to advertising condoms on television. Organizations and unlikely places are beginning to hand them out. It's the safest prevention around for AIDS. It now means that when someone slept with another person, in a sense, it's like having sex with those with whom that person has slept with in the past. That's pretty scary, especially with the possibility of death lingering. January 17th, 1989. A riot was sparked after a police shot Clement Lloyd, who was fleeing another officer. As a result, the rioting has spread from Overtown to Liberty City, where there are fires and looting. Once again, it appears that there is unnecessary police brutality in the Black communities. July 18th, 1991. Some of the women in the group expressed concern for our future being taken over by machines and replacing human workforce. I don't think it'll happen for a very long time. August 25th, 1994. History was being made in the Soviet Union as the Communist Party collapses after 70 years. The changes will affect the rest of the world. November 18th, 1991. David Duke lost the election for governor in Louisiana, but the fact is that he got 40% of the vote after openly admitting to having been the leader of the KKK with Nazi background. We have a lot of work to do. It can happen again if we don't stay vigilant. August 2nd, 1992. In the paper today, there's an article about Gail Devers from the United States, who won the gold medal for the 100-meter dash. A year ago, she had her feet amputated because of a rare disease. Is that inspirational or what? September 9th, 1999. Some say that all computers might stop working today because of the date 9/9/99. It may be a forerunner for Y2K, which everyone fears. Hopefully, there will be no problems at all.